Welcome to the EnduraSet assembly installation guide. After cleaning the spindle, lubricate the bearing and the seal journal with same lubricant that will be used inside the hub. Slide the hub all the way onto the spindle. Maintain alignment to avoid damaging the seal and ABS tone ring. Carefully insert the spacer. Next, place the outboard bearing into the hub, aligning it securely for smooth operation. Place the spindle nut into the hub. First, adjust the torque wrench to 400 feet-pounds. Then rotate the hub while tightening the spindle nut to the set torque. Install the locking device carefully. First, set the dial gauge to 0. Check the hub end play by moving it back and forth with both hands. The reading remains at 0. It confirms there is 0 end play in the assembly and no adjustment needed. Verify rotation to ensure the assembly spins freely. Thank you for choosing EnduraSet.